In a cheerful village, everything was colorful: the houses, trees, and even the sky. But among them lived a grumpy boy named Rohan. Rohan never smiled. He complained about everything: the food, the weather, and even the birds singing in the morning. "Why is everyone so happy? It's annoying," he often said. One morning, something strange happened. All the colors in his house had disappeared. His red pillow was now gray, his blue curtains had turned dull, and even his clothes looked lifeless. Panicked, he ran outside and gasped. The entire village had lost its colors. The bright flowers had faded, the green trees looked lifeless, and the sky was completely white. Terrified, Rohan asked an old woman, "What happened to all the colors?" She smiled and said, "Colors live where joy exists. Maybe someone took the joy away?" Rohan thought hard. Feeling guilty, he decided to change. Instead of complaining, he thanked his mother for breakfast. A tiny golden spark flickered on his plate. He helped a little girl pick up her fallen books. A soft pink hue returned to her dress. He smiled at a stranger, and suddenly, a beautiful blue wave spread across the sky. Realizing that kindness brought back the colors, Rohan went through the village, spreading joy and helping others. With each good deed, colors slowly returned. By sunset, the village was bright and beautiful again. And for the first time, Rohan felt something warm inside: true happiness. From that day on, he never forgot. The world is as colorful as the joy we bring into it. Moral of the story: happiness spreads like colors. When you bring joy to others, the world becomes a brighter place.